Hey guys, it's LT here. Today I want to bring you a little motivation. So today I want to talk about starting fresh. Every moment is a fresh beginning. Every moment you have a fresh beginning. What are you doing with it? Will you hold on to your past, or will you start over and move forward? Every moment is a fresh beginning. Sometimes in life we beat ourselves up so much for the mistakes that we make, opposed to brushing it to the side, learning from it, and moving on. So today I challenge you, start fresh. You have a new moment, you have a new opportunity to start fresh. Push aside to your mistakes and your failures. Move forward with today that you have. Learn from your mistakes, but move forward. Don't let that hold you back, because those mistakes you make can easily hold anyone back. We are our worst enemy. So if we hold ourselves back, we can't move forward. So today, start fresh. Have a great day.